Many business owners ignoring Google reviews, and they are ignoring, we call it reputation management. But it's really important to focus on customers' reviews, because this is what drives more customers to your business. And here I'm going to show you how. All you need to do is to log into pulsegrowth.io, and then you need to integrate your Google My Business profile. If you still don't have Google My Business profile, it's very easy. Just go and set it up right now. It's free of charge. Then you integrate Google My Business profile with Pulse Growth. And why do you do that? Because inside we can give you a link and you can use this for your customers' reviews. So once you have a customer, you can generate a QR code and leave it in your reception or your phone, or send the link to your customers to give you reviews. And this is not all. Also, you're getting too many reviews and you don't have time to respond to those reviews. We have AI who's going to help you to respond to reviews on your behalf. How cool is that? Stay tuned on the next video and I'll show you some other cool features.